We got Caleb right here riding his skateboard, and I sound very sick, and I think I am, but I honestly don't care, because I'll just take on the world, sick or not. I don't really care. And we're heading over to Caleb's house, and we're gonna go chill. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna do something. We're gonna hop the fence to his house, and the address is bleep bleep bleep. No address is shown. Here's Caleb trying to jump the fence.
Yeah.
I jump that fence all the time, can you tell?
Nope, can't tell.
I'm like way too used to jumping that thing. That just goes to show that I go to your house too much. Maybe even when you're not home.
Skinny jeans on, and you know my head never.
It's gonna be my cruiser board. You're gonna cut right here. Cut the aerodynamics.
It's only because you see the edges, how crappy they are.
Yeah, my edges, like I freaking, like that's chip, bro. I was doing some kick flips and happened, bro. And then I ate crap into a car. That happened.
And then this one's from Nom. Yeah, it hurts being a savage. There's Bella. She's so cute. She's a little puppy.
Oh, Bella.
Hey, bet you I can hit that tarp when I kick it.
Bet you I can.
Bet you can't.
You're like way closer now.
No, I'm not gonna kick it right here. I'm gonna kick it back there.
Go. Oh. I bet you can hit the tarp. The tarp's right there.
I thought that sounded better. Oh, I thought that would have some distance.
Oh, that was fun. Right over the tree, guys.
Say that again. Caleb said that he was gonna upload today.
Just a flipping video.
Just a flippin' video.
Alright, everybody go watch it. Subscribe to me.
Yeah, I'll put a card up in the video to go sub to his channel. So right now we're actually gonna be walking to the little house that's been in the last 2 videos. What if we saw Wade over there just jumping?
Hey.
To be like, hey Wade, how's it going, buddy?
Go,
Hey.
hey. Hey. Somebody was in here.
It was you. What are you talking about?
Shut up.
Caleb's gonna be recording too, so if he ever does put up a video, I'll put a link in the description to that. And subscribe to his channel because he wants to be famous. So just give him some love, because he only has 12 subs right now and he's kind of desperate. And you know,
I'm not desperate.
his videos are actually not that good. You know what I mean? Just landed that. Yes, I did. Hey guys, this is Dude Perfect, and this is Up and Over. Oh! I made that. Oh! Oh, dude, I'm having the best luck today, I swear.